Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my July reset. So I just woke up, did my devotions, journal, read it, blah, 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 and we're gonna get right into it. I can't believe June has gone. Like, my birthday month is gone. Didn't even do much, but anyways. Okay, so for today, I have to clean the stove, clean the microwave, clean the dog's space, like just area outside. I have to clean my room. I have to clean my room. And then I have to deep clean our laundry area. This is a mess. Because I like to deep clean a space in the house every week. And so this week is like the laundry space. So I'm going to do that. At least it's on my room this time. Let's get right into it. It's a lot we gotta talk about, so let's get right to the cleaning and then we can go into like the planning and everything like that. So let's go. Okay guys, before I start, I have to fill out my bottle. You have to remember, like, I like to fill it up in the beginning and then I drink it throughout. I have to fill it like this whole, so like 2 liters.
Phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. But recently I just don't care. With a new style, got a new car and a new house, and I'm dyeing my hair. And I finally feel alive now, and I wanna bleach my eyebrows, and now I just don't care. I don't care, and I don't care.
Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning and I literally just made my breakfast. So I kind of did like a 3-layer piping. So I have bread at the bottom, and then like this hamburger, like beef thing, and then another bread, and then like 1 egg, another bread, and the sausage. So this is like my mountain. I don't know if to try something new. I think my mom do like tuna sandwich. So I wanted to also try like my own. So yeah, right now I'm going to eat this. I also have some tea here. I don't remember the last time I drank a hot beverage, but yeah, I'm going to drink this, eat this, and also reflect and plan. And then when I'm done, I'll share with you guys like everything. So okay guys, so I'm done eating and it's time for the planning and everything. So okay, so first I'm going to first what I do is I do like a month-end brain dump. So I just write like the highs and lows, like everything, like the feel of that month. And so June was nice, like it was okay in some aspects. So like it was my birthday, I turned 18, yay. But I think I just overhyped it in my head. Not like turning 18, like the experience or anything like that. Like things I would receive, I think. June was really good. I became a new person, honestly. Like I kind of gained a piece of confidence in myself. So I was consistent with my routines. Yeah, everything was fine. But there was a low, which was like the visa stuff. So like, as you guys may already know, I'm going to Germany, blah blah blah, and the visa, like there was some stuff that delayed, and oh my god, I was so stressed. Because the thing is, I can get the visa in 8 weeks, and July to August, I'm living in August, the end of August, that is 8 weeks. If I get everything sorted out in 2 weeks, it's still so late and I'm so stressed out. But I just keep praying like every day. So stressful guys. Yeah, some highs are I met new people, some people who are going to Constructor, like my school, and like making friends and everything like that. Constant routine, yeah. Okay, now we're going to go into my June goals. June was No. My goals, nah. Okay, so first I wanted to like get the visa appointments and everything. It didn't happen. Revive my garden, it didn't happen. I don't know why. I don't know, I didn't ever get time for it, but I think I'll get a lot of time in July, and you know why in upcoming videos and stuff like that. Sew a dress. So I also didn't do that. I tried and then there were mistakes and I just stopped. Sew a scrunchie. Yes, I did. Yes, and I sewed 2 more for my cousins. Read a book. Yes, so I read this book, guys. The book started off so good. Oh my god, we're learning about like mental, physical health. Everything was so nice. I was highlighting, nice. And then it got to spiritual, and then it just went downhill. The person was talking about Jesus, alright, and then it got into Jesus going to some Hindu place to learn about healing, and that part just threw me off, because like, you know, like we don't know what happened between when Jesus was 12 and then when he was 30. But don't make assumptions like he went to the Hindu, like, I mean, at the end of the day, he's God. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, so yeah, this book was okay. But, yeah. Person 2 was, the writing was weird, honestly, but at least I read the book. And then learn a melody. So I wasn't able to learn it because I couldn't even find, it was hard for me to get the notes and everything like that, but I got it. So I want to learn To Love's End. Like, guys, go and listen to the melody. It's so good. Like, sometimes I put it on repeat on Spotify and like listen to it while I'm learning, because I don't know, I just like the melody. So yeah, this is it. I am going to be trying to like learn it this month. Like, I really want to know how to play this, because if I learn how to play the melody, I'm so in love with that. To Love's End. It's so good. Okay, consistent with my CS 50 lessons and calculus and my German lessons. Yes, I've been so consistent with these things. Like, I think I missed some of the CS lessons just because sometimes I was so tired, and like it was always in my head, you're on summer break, why are you learning? But like sometimes, so when I get tired and I just put on that it's summer, give yourself grace, and if you don't want to learn, it's fine. Like, so yeah. My German lessons start coming like very soon. I'll be speaking German, so like I know a lot, but the only thing that came into my head right now is Ich bin Keni Sackey. I am Keni Sackey. So yeah, honestly, German is really nice. Like, the language is actually nice. Like, I was shocked. It's my intentions. I wanted to build some confidence, and as I said, after I turned 18, some confidence kind of came a bit. So yeah, I would say I did build a bit of confidence. Talk to God more, like, guys. The way I cried to him, because like the visa stuff is stressing me out. But yeah, also don't mind that thing on the wall. Like, my brother actually wrote on it, so like, don't overthink. Yeah, I kind of didn't. Like, anytime I was thinking about the visa stuff and stuff, I just went to pray, but like, I mean, what can I do? There's nothing in my hands. Like, I've done everything, and like it's left with yeah. Let go of your ego. Yeah, not really. It was still there a bit, but we are working on it. Okay, now for July goals. My first goal is to finalize all my visa and enrollment stuff. Like, just confirm everything in July. Go for the appointment, like set the appointment, go for the appointment, and like, get all that so that then everything moves. Next, I want to revive my garden. Like, I'm actually going to work on it this month. Like, no excuses, laziness. Like, I'm going to get it done this month. I also want to sew a dress. So I'll first sew a dress for myself. I want to sew 2, but I just got to put in 1. I'm going to sew a dress for myself, so I get into the groove of sewing again. And then I have to sew dresses for my besties. And then I want to finish a book. So this month, so when I read on my Instagram, I think I should check it out. But like, I'm reading this book. I already started it after I finished, because I finished this book actually really quickly because it was nice in the beginning. So yeah, I'm going to read this book. My father, I think it's good so far. What he's saying kind of makes sense. I also like the fact that after every chapter you get to write. Like, he gives you like exercises. That is always what I wanted to do. Knowledge, action. So I really like this book so far. 10x. It's a bit, but yeah, it's a really nice book. I want to learn, to last in the melody. I really want to learn it. I also want to be consistent with my new routine that I'm kind of going to adopt. So I'm going to be posting a new daily routine video soon. But for my new routine, after I've kind of gotten into the groove of it. I also want to play tennis on Fridays and Sundays. I used to play on Sundays occasionally, but now I want to be really consistent with it because it's a sport I like. It's just that sometimes having to wake up early to go because we are so far away from the court. Let's see, and then church every Sunday. So after going to tennis early in the morning on Sundays, I want to also go to church, build some more confidence, in myself and everything like that. Growing my relationship with God. There's lots of stuff going on in the world right now. I need Him very, very strongly. So that's all for my goals, guys. What's next? Okay, so book on. I already told you my book that I read. Next is my favorite products songs podcast. I would say my favorite song. Proverbs 31. Is that the song? P31, I think. This is the song. It's Solomon said in Proverbs that song. I don't know. I really like that song, and I also like Mockingbird by Eminem. Right? Yeah. It's really nice. The message is nice. I just like it. It's so funny how I am a BTS fan, but I've never even mentioned that song as one of my favorites. But if I have to say one of my favorite BTS songs, do Blood, Sweat and Tears. Guys. Blood, Sweat. That song is so good. Podcast. I listen to my podcast, I listen to each podcast. After I listen to one episode of one podcast, I go and listen to another episode of another podcast. So I don't really have a favorite. I listen to all of them. Okay, guys. So that's all for me. That's all for my July reset. I hope July goes well. Honestly, guys, I truly hope July goes well because, I just want to. If I don't even achieve any of my goals, I really want to just get the visa stuff sorted out. It's stressing me out, but it's all gonna be good. It's all gonna be fine. God is in control. We are fine. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment